Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Computer Basics. My name is Lydia and I'm here to teach you the foundational basics on how to use computers and other electronics. Today we'll be learning on how to use what is called a computer mouse. What is a computer mouse? Well, it's a handheld device used to control what is called a cursor on a computer screen. That means that it is used to press buttons and perform basic functions. Pretend or imagine as if this is your hand, and it's used for jobs such as pushing buttons, opening doors, or flipping pages in a book. You may see a computer mouse at your local library, senior center, or even at home. As you can see on your screen, the mouse is made up of four main parts: the left click, the scroll wheel, the right click, and the body. The most important parts to remember are the left click and the scroll wheel. The right click is one that is not used particularly often, so it should not be worried about. The body is also important, but it doesn't perform any functions besides giving a place for your hand to rest. So, how do you use and hold a computer mouse? Not to worry. Unfortunately though, whether you are right-handed or left-handed, a mouse is typically held in the right hand. Your index finger should gently be placed over the left click and your middle finger on the right click. Your thumb should be resting on the side of the mouse. Let's practice. Take your index finger and put it over the left click. Take your middle finger and put it over the right click. Take your other fingers and wrap it around the mouse. When you move your mouse, you will see on your screen an arrow, the cursor, mirroring your mouse's movements. When you press down with your finger, that is called clicking. You may hear a small click that accompanies your action. Keep practicing and make sure you press down quickly and at once instead of holding down on the left click. Now, there are two things to remember. Do not move your mouse and click with your finger at the same time. Move where you want the mouse to go first, keep it steady, and then click. Second, do not press your finger down continuously on the left click. Remember, just press down once and quickly. If it does not work, try again, but do not hold down on the button. Don't forget to like and subscribe in order to follow along for the next video. Comment if you ever have any questions or concerns that you would like to be addressed. Thanks for watching.